I completed a site assessment for a commercial building, and the gentleman called us. We've done a lot of work for him in the past for other issues, but this is their like corporate office. What they have is a large office, and it has vinyl wallpaper on the exterior walls, and that's a absolute complete no-no. You never have a heavy vinyl wallpaper on an outside wall. And the reason is that moisture gets into the wall cavities here or there, or by hook or crook, or however little micro gaps that you have available to it. Moisture will get into the wall cavities, and then during the summer, it's trying to bleed out. It's trying to evacuate the moisture. Well, you turn on the air conditioning during the summer, and then you have cold air in the office, and the warm air from the inside wall cavity, because it's summertime, is hitting that cold vinyl wallpaper, and there's condensation behind the wallpaper. And so when the symptom is that the wallpaper will start buckling and falling away from the wall. And that's what happened. It actually just like peeled off. And so when you start pulling the vinyl wallpaper back, heavy growth behind the wallpaper. Now, sometimes you have to remove the drywall in this condition. Sometimes you don't have to. So what we're going to build is a chamber around the outside walls. We're going to remove, do our typical remedial preparation. And then we're going to remove the remove the vinyl wallpaper, cut like 1 square foot holes in different areas so we can assess what's happening inside the wall cavity. And also, I'm going to collect some samples of the fiberglass for laboratory analysis, because when you have fiberglass insulation in a wall cavity and the humidity is uncontrolled, you can't get mold growth in the fiberglass. I mean, there's a lot of literature that says that. So I want to make sure that this client is taken care of. We're going to collect some insulation samples, send it off to the lab. Check when we open the wall cavity. We're going to make sure that the OSB board and all the framing is in good condition. This is particularly important because the outside structure is brick, and that creates high pressure. When the sun hits the brick, the inside wall cavity can go under some really high pressure. So I want to make sure that there's no penetration through the brick and making contact with the OSB board, which is then trying to transmit into the building.